Hi guys, I am Mr. Forex and this is the first episode of a weekly analysis that I'm going to release hopefully every weekend so that you can understand how I look at markets and how I analyze the charts I'm going through. So if you're interested in this, please stay here and we'll see after the intro.
Can I be your superhero?
The first thing that you see in front of you is an advanced pattern that I usually trade during consolidation periods. So why am I looking at this? Because on the euro dollar we are in consolidation, and I can tell you this by looking at 4-hour chart, because after we have created this high here, a daily resistance zone, we break through that level and we bounced back from that, but unable to create an higher high that could signify a continuation of the trend. This fail is going to create the condition for a consolidating market, and in every consolidation patterns breathe, and you can see all over the place advanced patterns in this kind of markets conditions. So I'm going to place a limit order at the decompletion point, and I'm going to set my stop above X and my targets with Fibonacci at 38.2 and 61.8 retracements. But I want to explain you why am I calling this weekly analysis Mr. Forex Birdview. Birdview means that I need to have higher time frame confirmation before I take any trade. My strategy tells me that I need to have structure on high time frames to actually take trades, and I want to show you this kind of technique by looking at some charts together. The first chart we are going to see is pound Swiss, and the first thing that you will see is if that we go on daily time frames, you can see price is at a very high location and it is actually overextended, and you can see that by looking at the RSI. It is well above the 80 level that I am considering the limit of an overbought condition. That means that I can add a clue to the picture that I'm building around this case of market situation. So this implies that I can actually take trades if something happened on lower time frames, because this is the first part. I actually create reversal zones and then I look at lower time frames in order to find a key entry level by looking at patterns like candlesticks or double tops and bottoms and all this kind of price pattern that signifies a reversal on trend. Because you can see that over the last week we had almost more than 500 pips, and so this is a very strong movement, but this doesn't mean we cannot look for a short trading opportunity. Indeed, I think that this could actually turn to be a very good opportunity if price actually shows reversal conditions. And you can see right now on 4-hour chart, these long wicks to the top are meaning that sellers are pushing down. So we see sellers are coming, but we do not still have the confirmation that could be generated by some kind of double top, so a retest of this high and all this kind of stuff. We can even look for some engulfing patterns on this time frame. This could be a nice opportunity also because we can see that in this time frame we are in a divergence situation because price is making new highs while RSI is making lower highs. So this is another sign of evidence, and we can add all these clues together to create a more confident environment for us to take the trade. Same situation on euro pound, but pay attention to trade correlated pairs, because if you take two trades like this, it's actually 2 times the risk you're taking on a single trade. And this is because pound is very affecting market behavior last time. So pay attention to this. My rule is to take a maximum 2 trades on every single pair, on every single currency, So I can take 2 trades, but I can no longer look for pound opportunities on the short side. In this case, it's a long because we have pound on the other side of the equation, but this is the same situation. So we are creating a double bottom. If we see a fail in making new lows, we can take this trade. And if you want to be updated, you can follow me on TradingView. I am leaving the link of my profile down here in the description box, and you can tap that and click on the follow button that you will see. Another pair that I'm really interested in is dollar yen. You can see all these circles here, and this is because my analysis on the 4-hour time frame highlighted a lot of critical reversal points on the same level we are sitting now. And this is a clue. You cannot neglect this kind of stuff, because price, when approaching this level, is often having some kind of respect. So I want to take this on my mind. I want to highlight this pair because I know that we are in a critical level and we can now look for trading opportunities as we open on Monday. So these 3 pairs are the most interesting of this week. I hope you enjoyed this session, and I hope I can bring you more with time ahead. So subscribe to this channel if you have interest in Forex trading, because I think I can share something with you, and you can also share your thoughts on the comment section below. I hope you'll have a great week of trading, and we'll see next weekend.